Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. It is time for
Wind Up Wednesday!
Chris, you feeling good about your win last week?
I am feeling great about my win last week. But you know what? It's a familiar feeling, so it's nothing new.
Oh, what, you're just used to it. I've been beating you quite a lot recently.
Is that quite a lot too?
It's quite a lot.
Well, true, yeah. It's quite a lot for you. That is a lot, yeah. You're right.
I feel like I've upped my game a lot recently.
Well, we're going to find out, aren't we?
Well, tell us what the game is today.
We are playing Shake What Your Mama Gave You. You like the name, Saffron?
I wasn't expecting it.
Shake What Your Mama Gave You. Variation on the game we played last week. The idea of this one is instead of using a grabber to get all the balls out, we're going to shake what your mama gave you to see if you can get all the balls out or the most of the balls out in a minute. So.
Okay. Enjoy. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Guys, genuinely, we had to have a break in between recording Chris's and mine because I was dying. His was the absolute best thing I've ever seen. So good.
Surely I should just waiting for the wall track alone.
The fact he went to the extreme of a wall twerk.
Oh, why not? Need two more. See if I can get it out.
He didn't even manage to get them out.
No,
So
didn't.
he was defeated.
Saffron, you beat me on that one. I'll give you that.
I did.
Yeah.
But I tell you what, I know I'm like the champion of the week, but I do think you deserve like a round of applause for that.
Thank you.
That was the best thing ever, guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.
Or as much as Saffron did.
Yeah. I just couldn't believe we went to that extreme. But anyway, have a good week, guys. We'll see you later.